Have you ever scrolled down in Excel and lost track of your headers? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to freeze rows, columns or both so you never lose important data while scrolling. Whether you are using Excel for work, study or reports, this trick will make your life easier. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel tips. Freezing pans in Excel allows you to look specific rows or columns so they stay visible while you scroll through your worksheet. This is super useful when working with large data sets, especially when you have headers or labels at top. How to freeze top row. Let's start by freezing the top row, which is useful when you have headers. After opening your Excel sheet, click on any cell, it doesn't matter which one. Go to the View tab in the top menu. Click Freeze Pans and select Freeze Top Row. Now, no matter how far down you scroll, your headers will always be visible. Now, I will show you how to freeze the first column. For this, click anywhere in your worksheet. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Pans and select Freeze First Column. Now, your first column will always stay visible while you navigate through your data. How to freeze both rows and columns. To freeze both rows and columns, click on the cell below the row and to the right of the column you want to freeze. For example, if you want to freeze row 1 and column A, click on B2. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Pans and select Freeze Pans again. Now both your top row and first column will stay locked while you scroll in any direction. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Excel tips. Let me know in the comments what other Excel tricks you would like to learn. See you in the next video.